Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. As you probably saw, the screen timeout in this device is too short for my liking, so let's change it. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings, and let's go back, and here we have to enter the display. Now let's scroll down until we will find the screen timeout, and as you can see at the top we've got relatively short options and the longest option is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose maybe 5 minutes. It is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.